Welcome back to my channel. Revved Up Ride. The Honda PCX is a popular scooter known for its stylish design, fuel efficiency, and comfortable ride. Designed primarily for urban commuting, the PCX offers a balance of performance, practicality, and affordability, making it a favorite among city riders worldwide. Design and aesthetics. One of the standout features of the Honda PCX is its sleek and modern design. With sharp body lines, a bold front fascia, and LED lighting, the scooter exudes a premium look. The well-contoured seat, spacious footboard, and aerodynamic styling contribute to both comfort and efficiency. Whether in motion or parked, the PCX commands attention with its elegant yet sporty appearance. Engine and performance. The Honda PCX is powered by a liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine, typically in the 125cc to 160cc range, depending on the market. Honda's Especially Plus Enhanced Smart Power Plus technology ensures that the engine delivers smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy. The idling stop system (ISS) automatically shuts off the engine at traffic stops, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. With a continuously variable transmission (CVT), the PCX offers a hassle-free riding experience, making it ideal for both new and experienced riders. The scooter provides enough power for city riding and even some highway cruising, maintaining stability and control at various speeds. Comfort and convenience. Comfort is a priority in the Honda PCX. The long, cushioned seat provides a relaxed riding posture, and the ergonomically designed handlebars ensure easy handling. The telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers contribute to a smooth ride over rough roads. Storage is another highlight. The under-seat compartment is spacious enough to fit a full-face helmet and other essentials. Additionally, the glove box with a USB charging port allows riders to charge their smartphones on the go. Safety and features. Honda has equipped the PCX with modern safety features, including ABS anti-lock braking system for controlled stopping power. The Smart Key system offers keyless ignition and an anti-theft alarm, adding convenience and security. The full digital instrument panel provides clear information on speed, fuel level, and trip data. Fuel efficiency and affordability. The Honda PCX is known for its exceptional fuel efficiency, making it a cost-effective choice for daily commuting. With a fuel tank capacity of around 8 liters, the PCX can cover a significant distance before needing a refill. Its low maintenance costs further enhance its appeal as an economical urban vehicle. Conclusion. The Honda PCX is a well-rounded scooter that offers style, efficiency, and comfort. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or enjoying a leisurely ride, the PCX delivers a smooth and enjoyable experience. With its impressive features and affordability, it remains a top choice for urban commuters looking for a reliable and stylish ride.